They said coding is too hard. They said I am not from IIT. They said it's impossible without English fluency. But I said, let me try. I studied in a small school. No fancy degree, no expensive laptop, just a dream and YouTube tutorials. While others were scrolling the reels, I was debugging errors. While they were enjoying parties, I was learning Python at 2 a.m. I failed again and again, but one day my code worked, my project launched, and something changed. Now I am not asking for job, I am building them. Now they say, bro, can you teach me coding too? Funny, isn't it? If you feel lost, if people laugh at your dream, just start. One tutorial, one line of code, one step. Your future doesn't care about your past. It cares about your effort. I am Jollyjan and I am here to prove anyone can do it. Subscribe, learn, rise.